Here today we have this is Samsung J7 Pro, so I'm going to show you how to bypass it, and please follow till the end and make sure you subscribe for the channel if you love the video, and comment, like, and maybe if you want to reach me you can find my number at the description. But okay, let's go. So we have to connect to Wi-Fi. Like you can see now, I have connected to Wi-Fi down here, and I need to create yours, and you go like that, click next, and you agree. Done. Okay, now we are here. After that, let's just go back. You click back on like that, and now whenever you're here, you just hold your two fingers like that.
Continue holding the screen with two fingers until you hear a beep.
So you hold like that.
To enable accessibility mode, continue holding the screen with two fingers until you hear a beep. TalkBack on. TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision.
You can see now you draw L
with the device using spoken feedback. TalkBack tutorial.
You can see that. So now you just click tech to you go to tech TalkBack settings.
Double tap to activate.
So this is the TalkBack settings. You can see it, and just click it.
TalkBack settings.
Now we are there. Just you click now. After that, you click the home button 3 times to deactivate the TalkBack. 1, 2, 3.
TalkBack off.
TalkBack, now it's deactivated. Now you scroll down, just scroll down to help and feedback. You can see this is help and feedback, and now whenever you're here, you can see that when you're here, you can click to access voice like that. You see whichever place you want, and you can go back and click this one, access about. Then you click this to start playing, and now we are here. Start playing. And you click it. Now we're there.
Welcome to Switch Access. Switch Access is an alternative to using the touchscreen for users with limited
So karibu sana Berendina. You click like that, then you go to this icon up here, and you go to terms and conditions like that, and we are here, and you can see that maybe please you remind me later, and you cancel. And whenever you're there, now I can type to something called www.nck reader stock unlock. Whenever I'm there, I just click, and I will download the Android 6. You see, now you can see it is now downloading, and I go back, and I'll download something called Quick Shortcut Maker. It's a quick shortcut maker. I'll download it. Now it is downloading. I go back to search something else. Click back to go to something else, like I want another something there. Let's go to download something called remote Google Android 7. I'll download it like that, and you see I download it like that, and start downloading. And now I can go to, if I scroll down like this, you see I go to bookmark. You can see that bookmarks, and I go to history, and then I go to download history. Now I can be able to access the downloads, and you try to install one of the, then just activate it like that, and I install it to see. Now you can see that the app is not installed. You can see like that. Then what you do, you install the remote Google. Okay, you see like that. You go to settings like that, and we install this one. Mano ber koro warito mano. Okay, kose download, okay, yeah, kose nini like that, you just click done, and you install the what we call the quick shortcut maker. Again, you allow, then you install it. Okay, then after installation, now let's just go to settings. Let's just go to settings. I search for settings over here, and now I'll just go to settings, down. Okay, we are almost there. Okay, we are there. So this is settings. I click it, then I click the first one, and I click try. Now we are inside the phone. After that, let's go to security. I'll search for the security. Okay, why is it? Okay, something called security, this one, and you deactivate the, let's go and deactivate something over here. I'm searching for something. Find my phone. Okay, it is off. You go back. Other securities, device administrator, there, device administrator, you can see. Then you deactivate find my phone, you deactivate it, and now you go back to apps. Let's go to apps, and you search for Google Play Store. So this is Google Play Store, you see. Then I disable it. You click disable, and you disable it, and you go here, you disable Google Play Store, you disable it at the same time. Then now you just now you can just go back to add your mail. So you go to account, and you go look like that, and now just add account, and here we are. So just add your Google account. So Google account. So now from this point, just add any Google account you feel like, and now I'll just add mine, and that is like that. Yeah, okay, I'll just add mine. You can see now. So I've added mine, and I'll put my password. So now I've placed my password, and I click next, and please after that I'll just, after clicking next, you'll come to this page. Then you just click agree, and after that, after clicking like that, now we are good. Okay, you can see now we are okay. So just click go back, and okay, kamano to what you search for. We just go back to apps and enable those apps that we disabled earlier. And now just click up here, and you go to disable app, and now you can see that these two apps we disabled them. So now I enable them again. Now I'll enable it. I go back and enable the Google Play Store again. After that, after enabling, I'm now allowed to restart my phone. Now I'll restart my phone like this. You see, I'll restart the phone now. And please, if you love the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, support the channel, and everything will be fine. Thank you. Mora now, this is you can see this is a Galaxy 7 Pro, and very easy. If you like it, and let's do it. Yeah. So now after starting my phone, I'll just click next like that, and just click next because I've already connected to that Wi-Fi. And now after that I'll just click that, you see, and click next. Nyathi maber atotie nango. Okay, if you love the video, please just subscribe, like, and for the support, I'll be much grateful for everything. We're still making up things to work, and if you feel that you can be able to help me to edit my videos, you're welcome to partner with me so that you can build this channel together. Now we're waiting for it to go to next level, and now you can see. Okay, now you can see now we just click next because already we added our account, and Tommy tena is a good thing now. Okay, this is Samsung J7 Pro. Okay. And just now like that, you click right. Yeah, no thank you for the fund because we don't want to put it right now. Just click renew, and we just click skip. And you finish, and you can see now our phone is almost there locating. Please wait for some seconds. So our phone is almost there. If you love the video, please give us a thumbs up and make sure that everything that is happening here is a good one. So now it's still locating, and let's now click just later because you can't find it, and we are there. You can see that we are there. And now if you look up here, there's something clicking. This thing is clicking. You can see something's running like that. For us to help this thing, let's just click and go to settings, and go to settings first. Where's that settings? Go to settings. Let's click to go to settings. Now you are at the settings, and now what you do, you back reset your phone. You reset your phone, and after resetting your phone, this something which is flicking up here, it shall have gone. So we just reset our phone and factory reset it so that we do it again. And now we'll wait for our phone to reset, and after that everything will be good. So now our phone is resetting. I'll forward it. You can see it is erasing everything. And please, if you like the video, just make sure you subscribe to the channel. And now it will be erasing. So now we are there. Our phone restarting. We are waiting for it to restart, and please just subscribe. Okay, now we can just go because our phone now we have reset our phone. Now just click back and okay, so if you like, maybe you can connect to Wi-Fi, and if you don't have to connect, because now we already bypassed our account. Now we just wait for it. Now you just click next, and like that, you see, and click no thanks, and you skip it. If you want, you can click yours, but as for me, I don't want. I click skip like that, and I click finish, and I do that later. And now if you see, my phone is now working, and there's no that thing which was flicking up here. Now our phone is okay. Even if you go to settings, now this is we call it Samsung. About the phone, this is Samsung J7 3F, and this is J7 Pro. And please thanks for watching, and bye.